Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and test the WMM Group 3-ply barrier face mask. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this packet is a WMM Group washable 3-layer face mask. And taking a look at the back of the packet, there are some product details and specifications as well as care instructions for this washable, reusable 3-layer face mask. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet and take the face mask out and making sure nothing is left behind inside the plastic packet, and setting the packet on the right hand side of the frame and giving you a nice clear look at the face mask before I start handling it. And now taking a close-up look at this 3-ply barrier face mask. So as you can see, this face mask is black in color. It does have a polyester external layer, and on the inside it has a cotton layer. And taking a look at the product label or tag on the inside, you can see the care instructions as well as the materials of the layers. Or maybe not the materials, but the details regarding the care of this face mask. And it does have 2 adjustable ear loops, as you can see. And taking a close-up look at the stitching details as well as the edges and hemming of this face mask. So in terms of material, it does feel quite plush, just touching on the external and internal panels, and of course we have to be careful not to contaminate the panels with unwashed hands or unsanitized hands. But for this purpose, just giving you a closer up look at the fabric. So of course the cotton inner layer in white and the external black polyester layer. And just giving you some idea of the face mask, resting it in the middle of the frame, front as well as on the interior side. And you can see that it does have a prominent nose bridge, which is quite pointed, and it does have a pocketed area as well. And taking a look on the side, we can see that it does have a side loading pocket for a filter insert. And you can see that there is a middle layer as well, also made from cotton. So the inner layer against the face is of cotton, and so is that middle layer. And the external layer is polyester. And just giving you that detailed look, top down, and about this WMM Group 3-ply barrier face mask, which is washable and reusable, and does have that side loading filter insert pocket. So let's give it a try and insert a filter into it, but also giving you a look at the stretchability and adjustability of the ear loops. So you can see that it does have a toggle on each side of the mask with the ear loops to adjust the tightness and fitment, of course. So a simple toggle there for adjustability, and you can see the elasticity of the ear loops as well. So the inner side and the outer side, and giving you a look at the side profile as well as best I can. And now let's insert a filter into it. And over here I have a packet of Ruring activated carbon face mask filters, which I've unpacked on the channel before. Let's take one of the PM 2.5 5-layer activated carbon filter out and see if we can fit it into the face mask, but not before first giving you a look in terms of the sizing, just resting that filter on the outside, inside of the filter. Okay, let's slide that filter, and of course being mindful not to touch or minimize any contact with the filter surface. Okay, so just popping that Ruring activated carbon filter insert into the face mask. You can see it does have quite a small opening on the side for the filter insert to slide into, but nonetheless always a bit of skill required, stretching and pulling the face mask insert across. So struggling a little bit here. Of course I do have a camcorder and tripod in my way, but nonetheless just spreading out that Ruring activated carbon filter right across to the side, or the opposite side of the face mask. So yeah, some practice required when it comes to getting the insert to sit evenly across the face mask. Okay, so I can feel that the insert is nice and flatly spread out on the inside of this WMM Group 3-ply barrier face mask. So giving you a look right there, front and back, and with the Ruring activated carbon face mask filter insert inserted into the face mask. Now let's try it by putting it on. So wearing the face mask right now, covering my face. It does feel nice and soft and very plush as well, and the fitment is excellent, and you can hear I can still speak relatively easily right through the face mask. And I'm going to take some deep breaths. So airflow is pretty decent, with no noticeable restrictions and no kind of blockage or being sucked into my nostrils. And right there, just taking the face mask off. So good adjustability with the toggles on the ear straps and the nice 3-layer, and with the 4th layer being the insert with the Ruring activated carbon filter in there. So that's WMM Group 3-ply barrier face mask. Thanks for watching and happy covering!